Okay, so this is probably a bit advanced for some people, but it's really not if I can do it. So you want to go to chocolatey.org/install. We're going to install Chocolatey. It's like a package manager kind of thing. So on their website, choose your installation method, scroll down. You want this right here, this command. You just hit copy, and then I'm just going to run command prompt and run as administrator. And can you paste in command prompt? Why is it not pasting? There it goes. Let's try PowerShell. That's probably better. So it says run get execution policy. It's unrestricted. Set execution policy all signed. Execution policy changed. So now we can run this command. We should hit yes. Do you want to change the execution policy? Yes. We need to run this as administrator. Run PowerShell as administrator. Click yes. I guess it's done. Let's try running this. We're going to install Chocolatey. This copy button doesn't seem to work for me. I had to actually copy it. I already have it. Choco was found. An existing Chocolatey is found. So you probably don't have it. And you should just follow the directions to install it. Paste the copy text, wait for the second command to complete. If you don't see any errors, you're ready to use Chocolatey. So now, Chocolatey is kind of like git apt install on Linux, apt. Over here, we're going to get screen copy from, I just Googled screen copy. I can show you. Screen copy. Go to their GitHub. And they're trusted. They're trusted on, package was approved on 2022 by the Chocolatey people. And then you just choco install screen copy. This is why I did this. And accept the license. Chocolatey was installed. Screen copy is, sorry, we already installed this package. But it'll probably ask you, like, do you want to do this? Hit yes. all that. You can install ADB if you don't have it already. If you don't have it, yeah, if you have installed Android Studio, you probably have this. But you can probably try running it anyway. See what happens. You know, do you want to run the script? Yes. I guess it's installing a version of ADB somewhere. So that's cool. It's inside chocolatey lib ADB tools. I already had it, but I don't know why I didn't find it. Let me show you. So my things seem to appear in this folder that's hidden called program data. You have to reveal hidden folders in Windows. You can Google how to do that. And then there's chocolatey. And then inside bin is I got adb.exe, screencopy.exe. There's something called fastboot.exe. I don't really know what that does yet. It's something related to Android. I'll worry about that later. And then we've got you should have screencopy installed by now. So to run it, you can go and just double click it if you want. Maybe that doesn't actually work. Let's run this on my phone. I'm going to connect my phone real quick. So I've connected my physical phone. It changed the device to a Google Pixel. That's my phone. And then let's go ahead and just run this and see what happens. It might have an error. I don't know that this thing actually runs on my phone yet. I should have checked. It's not doing anything. So I usually like to use con emu is because it supports these tabs, and so I have to navigate to program data and then chocolatey and then bin, and then we can see that you can run screen copy, and there it is. This is my phone, and it didn't launch automatically. I believe there's something in Android Studio about like the default, like why it doesn't go into playing it right away. But the project is called Layout Sample, and here's the app. We just built it. And here's the buttons. We can see that they're clickable. And it doesn't do anything because the app doesn't do anything yet. I will show you a cooler app, which is a fun pun because it's for a freezer. It's a cooler app. Where is it? Is it Freezer Droid? It's Test SQL, I think. Let's just use this window and terminate. It's gonna take forever. I'm getting a new computer. This thing's slow. Initializing. So this is the app I've been making. And you hit play or run. I make so many games. The triangle button, just play button. I usually make games. Alright, it's not doing anything. I don't know why. Why doesn't it run automatically lately? It used to just start doing stuff. Run screen copy again. I think I closed it. Usually I just leave it running. Oh, there it went. That's weird. So it started playing. So what it should do is, screen copy sitting there. You hit play. We're looking at screen copy. And there, it just starts playing the app on its own. So in this app, you connect to this, and then you hit meat, and it loads these the steaks and chicken thighs, and you can hit this negative button, and it's running an SQL query to decrement the steak in the SQL database by 1. So these buttons run like SQL statements, and then it saves it. So when you hit 13, and then I haven't finished this app yet, so I'm just gonna reboot it and go and reopen it and reconnect and load. So we're at 13. So it's saved because it queries the database. Every time you hit this button, it queries the database for the information, and then it builds the array of buttons and all that. I'm not going to show off all the code. It would take too long. But this is how you install screen copy and you put it in your workflow. Is so when I add something in the Android Studio and I want to see the changes, I just run the app. It should hopefully restart it. And there are the changes. So that's why screen copy is cool, because hypothetically, you could have your computer and your physical device in a building somewhere, and you are on the road with your laptop and you're programming, and you have an extra test device, a physical device, then you can remote control your phone from anywhere. So that's pretty sweet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks. Bye.